Saviour Kasukuwere is confident that his name will be on the ballot paper on the 23rd of August. He says these are tactics to derail his campaign for elections and to disqualify him by the incumbent President Emmerson Mnangagwa. He says the High Court erred in its conclusion.
Our papers were accepted a day or so ago, and we are waiting obviously for the registrar of the Supreme Court to contact our legal team in Harare, and upon which I think they will then spell out the processes and steps to be taken thereafter. With regards to the prospects of success, we are 199% certain that our appeal before a competent bench of lawyers or judges, we will succeed.
He has lambasted the incumbent President Mnangagwa and accused him of using state resources and courts to fight political battles.
This comrade has always wanted power through hook or crook. And we are not surprised with what he has been doing. As you know, that he had to roll guns out, tankers, to dethrone Robert Mugabe. That was a coup, whether people like it or not. That was a coup. And he misled a lot of people in the process.
Kasukuwere says trumped-up charges have been instituted with the aim of harassing him.
And he will not stop at harassing some people like myself. Spurious charges. He has gone to court on several occasions. As I'm speaking now, he's busy trying to cook up some evidence. Let's look for something to do with Kasukuwere. Once he lands, we must jail him for 3, 4, 5 years. He even interfered in my own trial to the extent that my lawyer, then Jonathan Samkange, was removed. He called him to his office and said, Wena, if you stand and defend this one, we want to send Kasukuwere to jail.
Regional blocs and mother body such as SADC and AU will be put to test during the upcoming elections in Zimbabwe. Opposition parties have been complaining about being barred from holding their election campaigns.
We are aware that SADC is looking forward to these elections, and I call upon SADC leadership to take note. Please take note. We need Zimbabwe out of this ditch. This is a huge test on our SADC leadership. It is a huge test on the IU as well as observers. That Zimbabwe should be able to produce a set of results out of an election that is little disputes, very little disputes.
Kasukuwere further says millions of Zimbabweans will be disappointed if it doesn't contest in these elections. He says people of the neighboring country need change now. President Mnangagwa has also signed into law the Patriotic Act, which contains a clause that criminalizes willfully damaging the sovereignty and national interest of Zimbabwe. Khumalo, SABC News, Johannesburg.